Hi YouTube, this is going to be just a really quick video of me making a couple of DIY masks. These are just some regular cloth masks that I purchased from Etsy. And I think it's like a double layer, just regular cotton mask. This one is an adult size and it's black, of course. And this one is a child size mask. And it is pink, as you can clearly see. This one has double layer as well. Now we just want to add a little bit of spunk and bling to these masks so they can stand out. So I have a few options. I have some iron-on patches here. Tons of them. I purchased these off AliExpress. I actually did a video of a haul. I'll have to make that video at a later date. Go ahead and get that uploaded so you all can see that. But just to give you some ideas of how you can bling your mask out. Me personally, I wouldn't put E6000 or whatever fabric glue because that's really strong and it's going to be at your face and you don't want to be inhaling those fumes. So just to give you a couple ideas of what you could do, this is a really cute iron-on of a fist. It says Queen on it. This came from AliExpress. Then you have this cute Afro puff, Afrocentric, I guess, beautiful woman that you could put on there like that. Or you could do something like that. Just to customize your mask, just to give you a couple ideas. Some of these are iron-on, but some of them have nothing on it to iron on, and you really could just have to sew this on, or you can hot glue it on. But you want to make it to where you could at least sanitize your mask. But what I wanted to go with, because I do have these, this would actually be something that you would have to sew on, but that's like so pretty, so glamorous, right? But I have some that are actually iron-ons. Crown, it's really sparkly, very pretty, good quality bling there. This is nice. I think this one actually is an iron-on, but this is gorgeous, especially up against this black. Let's see, or I can go with a bigger one. This one is still sparkly, but it has more of a transparent look. Then I have this one. It's more of a bronze sparkle. I thought I had more of this one. I actually did one of these for my daughter. She had a mask with this one on it. It was so pretty. She got so many compliments. She actually lost her mask, so I'm making her another one. She wants it the same way. So I'm just going to put this on her mask. And I'll just go ahead and do this one on my mask. Just like that. But you see it has these ripples in it, so I'll make sure that I get to the fabric as evenly as possible. You can use an iron. If you do use a regular iron that you iron your clothes with, you want to put it on the highest cotton setting, I believe, and make sure you cut off the steam. I'm going to go ahead and take these over to my heat press. So that's where we're going to go now. I'm going to head over to the heat press.
Okay, I always just do a quick press just to get out any moisture or anything that may be inside of any fabric that I'm going to iron something on. Just take your time and go ahead and line it up the best way you can. I like to put a piece of parchment paper over what I'm going to iron on. I have my heat press set at 350 temperature and 15 seconds. Allow the iron-on to cool off a little bit before you pull it right off. Here I had found an extra mask that I had purchased off eBay, so I decided to go ahead and make another one as well.
The mask that I made, and it has like some rubbery material to it, so it did stick to some of the mask, but it still looks wonderful to me. And instead of it having those ripple folds in it, it does have to be flattened in order for me to get the design to go on there properly. But I think these are still very nice, considering the mask was only about $6 or $7 on Etsy. And this was no more than $5 for this really pretty blingy embroidered, what is this called? This rhinestone iron-on patch of this crown. So I think this is very pretty. Oh, and it even has the nose wire in it to keep it from moving around. I forgot that was in there. Wow, good thing I didn't do it upside down. Then the one that I did for my daughter, did I do hers upside down? Yep, I did. Dang it. Well, she'll still be okay. As long as it fits her face really good, she'll be cool with that. So this crown was pretty big, so I did have to go ahead and some of it still has a fold to it. It wasn't big enough to pull all the wrinkles out of it, but it's still very pretty, as long as it fits her face. Because she had one that was a little too big and it just didn't work out right. So this is really pretty. She's gonna really like this. Again, this was no more than $4 or $5 for the actual iron-on patch. This is a quick way instead of having to do stones one by one. And plus, I don't think it's a good idea to E6000 on the fabric that's gonna be in front of your face that you're breathing in. Then lastly, I had another mask that I forgot I even had. And someone wanted me to make them one, so this worked out. This is really big and it's so pretty. This kind of mask, this one came from eBay. It was about $7 as well, $7, $8 as well. They're slightly different in their size and the way they're made. So they're both very pretty. This one is a little heavier. But yeah, so that's a quick and easy way to bling out your face mask with a rhinestone iron-on patch. You can also pick these up from your local store. You don't have to wait 3 weeks to a month to order these patches. That's why when I order them, I order so many because they take forever to come from AliExpress. But you can go to your local craft store and get these as well. They may not be $3 or $4, or they may be, I'm not sure. They may cost a little bit more, but they're so pretty. So that's just another nice way of making masks. So go ahead and pick you up some of these and decorate your mask any way you like, or you can use some glitter heat transfer vinyl and that'll be pretty and sparkly as well. All right, well, thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.